Okay, hi Option F students. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Canva. Go to Canva, go to Google, and then you can write Canva, C-A-N-V-A. And you will find the web page here, Canva, graphic design and video on the App Store. So that's the application. And here we go. That one's for the Android. Okay, and I'm going to go to, this is Canva here, and I'm going to open up here. Right, so you can log in with Google, so you can use the STD account. So this is my university account here at std.me.kurame-u.acdp. So I'm going to click here. All right. And it will be in Japanese or English for you. Okay. So over here, these are all of my designs that I have made. And I'm going to click the Canva at the top. And we're going to choose poster. Going to choose poster. Now you can see the free posters are here. It says free. You can choose the event, what kind of event that you like. And for example, I'm going to do a picnic. All right, so I would like to do an event to have a picnic. All right, so I'm going to choose a nice picnic picture, poster. And then here we can change the content. So I can put international picnic. And we can change the date as well. So we're going to do, or I might have to do October. And we're going to put the time. So we're going to put the time at 12:10. I can't see this at the moment, so I can make it larger here and push it in here. So I'm going to make the time there, 12:10 to 12. Let's change this until like this. All right, so international picnic. So I can change to our group. Invites you to it. Okay, so this is an international picnic. This is an international picnic. So this is not a very good picture. So I can go to photos. I can search international. That's kind of international. That's kind of nice, isn't it? And I can also put elements as well. So I can also put international here to find any elements. Maybe I'll have international flags. That's not really what I'm looking for. So maybe I can put banner, like that, banner. Ah, there's something. So that's more fun, isn't it? So I'm going to take that off and I can move this. I can put this down here and I can move everything down like that. All right. I can also go off the side as well. I can also change the color, transparency of it. I can put backwards so it goes underneath, which is very cool. I can put that up over the top. If I want to put more text, I can put text as well. So I could change this to international. So this is too big, so I can cover, and then I can make it smaller. So I can try 90, something like that. So I could change that. That's another way to do it. There's something there. Let's get rid of that. There we go. I can get rid of that because that's not in the new year. Maybe like that. And I can also change the color of things like that there as well. So this is all the different ways to change that. And that is the photo colors. So it's going to pick up those colors for me automatically, which is very nice. Okay, and you can also change the background. Yeah, you can also change the background if you like, and then you can change it back as well. And if there's anything that you wanted to use, oops, then you can, for example, picnic. I can find a picnic picture. That's very nice. So I could put that on the side there. And I can go to uploads. I can put it into the upload folder. And then I can drag here as well. I can change that as well to be like that. So there's lots of things that you can do. When you've finished, you can click download here and you just download. And then it goes down to your desktop. And there we go. I can open. Here we go. There it is. All right. So that's the picture, that the poster that I have made. All right. So something like that. All right, so in your task, you're going to have to make sure that you have a good design. You're going to have an interesting message. You're going to have a date, a location, contact details, any costs, yes, if any. They should be easy to understand English. You should be careful about your capitals. Should double check your spelling and make sure your grammar is okay. And then all together, that will be 50. All right, okay, so I hope that video helps.